Too much history, have you make it so hard to live, yeah. What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. And I'm back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, today we'll be doing a summertime collective haul. So now I did a summer haul before, but that one was just mostly based on Shein. This one is gonna be everything else, like Fashion Nova, Prettylittlething. Cause I didn't really buy a lot of things from like Fashion Nova and Prettylittlething, like a big order of stuff like I did with Shein. So that's why I split it up. You feel me? My frontal is coming off right after this video, so please excuse it. Yeah, with that being said, let's jump right into the video. We're gonna start off with, I have so many different random things, so we're gonna start with Prettylittlething. So the first item from Prettylittlething is actually this top that I'm wearing. It's just like a, excuse my shorts, let me get a good angle. So it's just like a regular tube top, and I got it in a size extra small, and it's white, and it has like that ridged material, and that's the top. I really hope the fan, I'm gonna just turn off the fan just in case it's making too much noise. So the next item I got from Prettylittlething was this top. I actually wore this top already like recently, and I posted pictures in it on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram so you can see my cute outfits. Okay, so this is the top. It's a long sleeve crop top, and it has a little knot that's tied in the front, like kind of like that trend that's been going on lately. And it's also that ridged material. As you can see, it's a little see-through, but not really. Like once you put it on, it's not as see-through anymore, if you get what I'm trying to say. My next item from Prettylittlething is pretty much the same thing, but just sleeveless. It's the same kind of crop top. I didn't know if I wanted a long sleeve one or a no sleeve one, so I just got both because they was cute, I'm not gonna lie. So this is the top. Okay, it has the same tie in the front. I also got this in a size extra small. I haven't worn this yet, and it also has the same ridged material as the other top. And these are really cute and light and fun, and I don't get hot in them, you feel me, because it's a nice time in those tops. So then the last thing that I got from Prettylittlething are these shorts, and I'm a little disappointed because they don't fit me right. I got them in a size 0. They are 0, so I know they're supposed to be baggy, but I don't know. On the model, it looked like if I got a 0, it would be tight, but that's not the way that it worked out, and that's okay. I'm gonna still wear them, okay? But these are the shorts. These are the shorts. I feel like I kind of get the same shorts every time I get shorts, but they all always kind of have the same type of vibes going on. This is the back. So next we're gonna move on to Fashion Nova. Ooh, you can see some of the stuff. Okay, so Fashion Nova, the first item I'm gonna show y'all is something that I was really excited about. These stacked pants, I got these from Fashion Nova. I also wore these already. I'm gonna insert a picture. I wore it with this top, but it's not her turn. It's not her turn. But here, these are the stacked pants. They come like this. They come all rouged up, and they're really cute. They're a nice fit. I got them in a size extra small because, you know, your girl is tiny, okay? But we working on it. Those are the stacked leggings. And then the next top is this cute top. Like, this top is so cute. Like, it's like this, what is it? It's like a lime green color. It's really, really nice. It's also that ridged material, as you can see, and it has a cute little tie in the front. I actually thought the top tied, but it does not. Like, I thought it came like apart and you could tie it up, but that's not how the top came. It came like, as you can see right here, it came like this, and then the strings are like this, and it's kind of stitched to the back of it so that you can create the tie. I hope I was able to show that well enough. So for anybody thinking that it comes apart, it doesn't. It comes as a whole top, and then the strings are like behind it, and you pull it forward and you tie, and it creates that look. The next is Professional. I actually didn't even open it yet out of the package. All right, so this is the top, and I love this top so much, and I can't wait to wear it. It's so cute. Hold on, get it together. This is the top. It says Boys in the Hood, and I've never seen this movie in my life. Yeah, I'm literally one of those people who you will be surprised by how many popular movies I haven't seen, just simply because, especially within like the black community, because I'm not like black American, I'm Caribbean. So like the things that they was watching that's popular, I was not watching. So I don't know about the movies, I don't know about the old school songs, like I don't know about none of those things. Not really. Kind of, but not really. All right, next are these other graphic tees that I got from Fashion Nova. First top is this. This was in the sales section, like at the very bottom of like Fashion Nova stuff, but I thought it was so cute, and it was like Halloween edition something, I don't know, but it was like final sale. They had my size, so I got it. And yeah, I'm manifesting that I get these Jordan ones that are coming out in like October, and I have so many fits already planned in my head with those, so getting those are a must. You feel me? The next stuff I got was this. I don't know, I got this shirt because I always liked this acid wash bleach look. I've always liked it when it was really popular and popping, and I really did like it. So when I seen it, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just get it. You know, just because it's not really in right now doesn't mean I can't be wearing it right now. You get what I'm saying? The next top that I got is this shirt. It has Bambi on it. Growing up, Bambi was my #1 favorite movie as a kid, and so I really enjoyed it. So when I seen the shirt, I was like, shoot, might as well. Okay, so I got it. So this is Bambi, because I love Bambi. It's also one of the first movies to make me cry as a kid, because when I'm gonna shut up. So now moving on, next I'm gonna go on over to Forever 21. I have a way more items for Forever 21, but I just don't know. I'm just not feeling them as much as I was anymore to put them in the haul. My sister's singing. We're gonna let her live her best life, okay? We're gonna let her live her best life. I'm not telling her to be quiet. All right, so the first thing I got was this cute purple skirt, and it's like plaid, and it has purple and white. Oh, the camera's not doing it justice. It's like a lilac color. It's lilac, and it has 2 pockets in the back. Focus, please. It has 2 pockets in the back, and it's really cute. What I'm gonna wear it with, I don't know. Where I'm going in it, a picnic. I really wanted to go on a picnic this summer, but you know, stuff just doesn't go as planned. This is like another picnic skirt. Alrighty, here we go. This is the skirt. It's pink and white. Okay, she's giving cute, she's giving girly, she's giving I'm that girl. Okay, and she has a little split right here. Okay, so she's giving you a little sneak peek without giving you the whole thing. Feel me? That's how you gotta be. So next is this graphic tee. Okay, here is this graphic tee. All right, all right, so since we're like kind of touching on like tees, hold on, let me put my thing in the back. Okay, but now we're like on the thing of like tees and t-shirts and stuff like that. I'm gonna just whip out my graphic tees that I got from Spensers. So the first one I got was this, with SpongeBob on it, because if you don't know, I love SpongeBob. I really do. Like, I really do. Like, I really do. Like, it's not a joke, I swear to God. Like, I really do. But here is the shirt. It's SpongeBob on his pet unicorn, if y'all remember that episode, and it's purple, so you know it's cute. I don't know what I'm gonna wear with, but I'm gonna wear it. Best believe. My next top is this top. It says, what does it say? Mommy, can we keep her? Oh yeah. And it's like a monster dog, like her. It's like it's 3-headed. Yeah, a 3-headed dog on there, and I really like the tie-dye effect of the shirt. It's really cute. You feel me? Spencer's had some cute shirts that day, and it was very hard for me to decide, and They had too many, and all the ones that I really liked, they did not have my size in, so I ended up with only getting 2. So all right, now moving on, I'm gonna move on to a couple of things that TikTok made me buy from Amazon. So first, we're gonna just jump right in with this. Okay, it's like a pink bodysuit, and this is something you can get on like yeah, you can get it on like Fashion Nova, you can get it on what's it called, She, or like places like that. I believe you can probably get it on Shein as well, but all those places did not have my actual size, which is an extra small, or like a small to actually fit me. And surprisingly, I came across TikTok. The girl was skinny like me, she got a small and it fared pretty well, so I was like, all right, let me try. So here it is. This is the pink, and it goes all the way down. You guys will get a better view of the item when I try it on, in the try on portion that I'm gonna film right after. But it's a really nice bubblegum baby pink, and I don't know, this dress as well. I kind of got this dress before I got these items, I believe, and I wore it in a TikTok. I'm not gonna show y'all the TikTok. If you want to see the TikTok, go on my TikTok. But this is the dress. I really want to wear it like going out, like going somewhere, but I don't go nowhere. I don't be going places, you feel me? So this is the dress. This is the dress. It fits nicely, and the material is like stretchy. So is this material. This material is also stretchy, but it's 2 different materials. This one is better quality in my opinion. But yeah, I actually don't remember the price of these items, and I'm so I'm feeling so I'm so sorry, but I really did forget. All right, the next thing I got was this dress from Amazon. I love dresses like these for like if me and my friends just randomly feel like going out, or we just, I don't know, but I do like dresses like this. They're very simple, and I feel like they complement my figure. This is the dress, and it's burgundy, you feel me? This is her, and then this is the party in the back. It's a nice cute little tie up, and it's really cute, and I really like how it fits. It's really nice quality. This quality is really nice quality, and that's all I can really say, you feel me? The quality is outstanding, and Amazon, I have to say, you did the thing. I also want to mention that all of these links will be linked down below in the description of everything that I can find as far as Fashion Nova, Prettylittlething, but the other stuff probably from like Spensers, Forever 21 probably are not going to be linked down below because yeah. All right, so next I'm gonna talk about these jeans that I got from Target, because why is nobody talking about the jeans from Target? Like, so these jeans, I got these from Target, and they was only $20. First of all, they were only $20, and they fit really nice, and they're really cute and calm. Like, I feel like these are like nice, cute, calm jeans. Like, they're just calm, you feel me? Like, nothing too crazy, they just calm. I don't really know how else to describe it other than calm, but yeah. So these are the jeans, and they're really nice, and they're nice quality as well. So now the last thing that I got, that I saved for last, I'm not saying it's best for last, but I just saved it for last. But the last thing that I got was this dress from Pink. This is the dress. It's gray, and it has like the, I forgot what that's called. I've been saying it this whole time in the haul too, but I forgot what it's called. But it's really cute, and it's really comfortable. It's a nice material, and look at the back. This is what I love about it, because this is so cute to me. The back has this. Focus. It has like the cute little pink thing. Y'all see that? It says Pink. It's so cute. Like, I love that. I was like, what is this, fire? So yeah, I got it. This dress was like $60 because you know Pink. But I was like, I'm not leaving that dress. I'm not leaving it. I'm really not. And it had my size. I'm not leaving it. But yeah, y'all, But yeah guys, so that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and don't forget to check out all my other videos if this is the first video of mine that you're seeing. So don't forget to go and check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on all of my social medias for more of me and more content. So yeah, with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.